Hello everybody, welcome back to a new video. It's been quite some time since I've uploaded a video. It is because I have been grinding. That's why I haven't uploaded in quite some time. And I'm now a fully grown Ostroraptor, and I have an entire army on my side. Yes, you heard me right. An entire army. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 isn't that much, but trust me, it's a lot. Hey, tiny guy! Hello. Look at him. Tiny guy. We must protect tiny guy. He is too young to die. We have a baby woodpecker. We must go. What are you doing, Adam? Dun 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 dun. Come on, tiny guy. This is absolutely swarming. You. We have an entire. No, this is a army. What? Cannibal! Who the hell are you? What are you doing here, bro? Get him! Where does this guy think he is slick? Get over here. Where are you going? Where are you going? Get over here. You think you can stay in your hidey cave, huh? Get over here, son. Get over here, son. Oh, yeah, you're smart. He was a cannibal. Kind of deserved that. I'm gonna act like I'm gonna leave, okay? But I'm still gonna wait here. I'm just gonna wait here until he comes out. Oh, he left. Holy smokes! We have a giant incoming. What the? Who are you? Get over here, son! You get over here, son. I'm gonna get over here. I'm gonna eat you. You're gonna turn into my next sandwich, boy. Get over here. Get over here. You get over here. Where are you going? Where are you going, son? Where are you going? Get over here. Where are you? There you are. 1 damage. I don't know where he went. I lost track. I'm going back. If you lose where you're going, go back to homoing. Who the hell are you? It's Tactical Tiny! Oh crap, we found Tactical Tiny. It's Tactical Tiny. Get over here, Tactical Tiny. Where the heck did you come from? What are you doing here? Come back. Get over here, son. Get over here. Get over here. Yeah! I'm driving this thing. Get over here. You get over here. Yeah! What was that noise? My legs made that sound. I'm kind of hungry. I'm gonna eat one of my friends. Yeah, haven't you seen something? Is that a bird? Why is so many crazy things happening here? I swear to Jabbernabbs if I die. Am I gonna do what I do? No, Larry. This bird doesn't know how to respect. Come in here. I do not know. What? Who do you think you are? Get over here, son. Get over here. Broke his ankles. Get over here. Get over here, Cankles. What the? What is going on? Get over here. Get over here, son. Get over here. Get over here. I'm gonna go back. He's gone. He's done. Is that another raptor? No, it's an ostro. Is there someone in here? What is even going on? That guy over there is absolutely dead. Incoming! Doink! Get over here, get over here, you get over here. I have seen what you have done, and I am gonna give you judgment. Get over here. Get him! Yeah! Now that was cool. There's something else over there. Why is so many dinosaurs coming from the Shadow Realms just to hurt us and me? I'm losing my mind over these thingamings. Like, what is this warhead about? Is that another fight going on over there? Yes, it is, and I need to get in there. Alright, here we are in this island. And this is St. Epstein Island. What is that? Yes. What is going on over here? Is it a raptor? Yes, there is a raptor. Give me a raptoress. Raptorix is now dead. Okay, he is already dead. Did I just predict his death? Where does this thing go? Where are you going, son? Where are you going? Get over here. Get over here now! Get him! No, they're ganging on us! I am flying. Why is... Now you're gonna leave, huh? Like if we did not see what you did. Get over here. Get over here, son. You're not slick. Holy! And I killed him. Ha 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 ha. Yes, indeed, left in his dead corpse. But the other guy, he did not. That guy over there, he did not think so well. I see a dinosaur over there. We're gonna kill that parasaur for some reason. Yeah. Did I just jump in the water? There he is. Get over here, son. Get over here, son! Get him! When I was a Platus dinosaur, I was killed by these things. These overly sinned things. Get bit, son. Come on. There we are! Get over here! Yeah, get him, yes, to kill the parasaur. Well, that was pretty good. Well, a pretty big fight is going to happen now. Hello, Spinosauruses. We are not here to fight, we are here to make peace. This Spinosaurus has said we must go to war. Get over here! Get over here, son. Where the hell did he go? Here he is, spinning his tail like a weenus. You missed. Vinceling wings. You ain't hitting anyone. You ain't hitting the Slickosaurus. Yoink. See ya, beat. Yoink. People friend you at the weirdest times. Like, someone just friended me when I was in mid-fight. Retreat, I must retreat. Going in this depth zone isn't good at all. I must get a high ground. All my friends are dead.